Hello. Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Licelis Cabilin. I'm 38 years old from Philippines. I'm single mother. I have 3 kids, aged 11, 13, and 16 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm the youngest child in the family. My work experience in Saudi Riyadh last 2019 to 2022. Have 4 members in the family. Um,
What is your work experience?
my work experience is taking care of kids. I'm cook. I'm cleaning in the house. I'm washing clothes. I have experience in Hong Kong, 1 year and 6 months. Have 4 members in the family. I taking care kids.
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I work in Hong Kong again because salary is higher than in Philippines. Um, safe, safe, safe.
You need to support your family, right?
Yes,
And can you cook Chinese food?
yes. I cook Chinese food.
What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
Steamed fish, tomato with egg, soup. That's
Okay.
all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.